Have you been trying everything to lose weight but nothing really works? Tired of starving, struggling at the gym, and still not seeing the scale move? Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I want to share something truly exciting, Orexiburn. But first, an important warning. Because of its popularity, fake versions of Orexiburn are being sold online. So remember, the only place to get the real product is through the official website. You'll find the link in the description. So, what is Orexiburn? It's a cutting edge natural supplement designed to help your body burn fat more efficiently by supporting a healthy metabolism and controlling appetite. Here's how it works. Orexiburn uses a powerful blend of plant based ingredients that target stored fat, especially in stubborn areas like the belly, thighs, and arms. It also helps reduce cravings and supports energy levels, so you don't feel like giving up halfway through the day. What does this mean for you? Faster fat loss, more energy, less hunger, and a lighter, more confident version of yourself without crash diets or extremes. Just take 2 capsules a day, preferably in the morning before breakfast. Consistency is key, and most people start noticing changes within the first few weeks, and you don't have to take my word for it. Kelly, 38, lost 7 pounds in her first month and says she feels like herself again. James, 44, said he's finally off the weight loss roller coaster. Thousands are getting real results with Orexiburn, and now it's your turn. And remember, it's risk-free. Orexiburn comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the results, you get a full refund, no questions asked. But supplies are limited. There are special kits available right now, but they're only for a short time. Once they're gone, you might have to wait weeks for new stock. So click the link in the description and grab your Orexiburn while it's still available. Encapsulate USA, health on another level, real results.